Solve how to fix the Elder Scrolls Online, Blackwood lagging on Windows. 1. Make sure your PC meets the requirement. Upgrade your hardware if needed. 2. Check your internet. Connection. 3. Update your graphics driver. Using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 4. Flush DNS cache via IP protocol configuration / flushings command. 5. Disable your add-ons. 6. Lower your in-game graphics quality. See recommended options below. Display mode, full screen. Vertical sync, off. Anti-aliasing, off. View distance, 0, 1/3 of the value. Shadow quality, off. Water reflection quality, off. Texture quality, medium or low. Subsampling quality, low.